Hello, and welcome to this video on RMI. And the specific title is RMI, Who Are We? My name is Paul Chapdelaine. I'm the president and founder of RMI Corporation, and I'd like to take a few minutes to tell you who we are and what we do, tell you about our people, etc., to try to give you the information that you need in deciding on whether or not we're the type of company that you would like to work with. So first of all, RMI is a business that focuses on developing and supporting management information systems for the equipment rental, sales, and service industry. Our customers rent, sell, and service all types of equipment, many related to the construction industry, others are in the medical equipment rental industry, some are in the material handling industry, trailer industry, etc. So there's various industries, but every one of our customers rents equipment, they sell equipment, and they service equipment. They service their own rental fleet as well as servicing customer-owned equipment, so the equipment that they've sold to their customers and are responsible for maintaining. So that's what we do. We have a software system that handles all of the day-to-day activities that a business of that type needs to process. But more importantly, we're a collection of people. I mean, the software is one thing, and we talk about software in many of our other videos, but in this particular video, I'd like to take a little bit more time to talk about who we are as a collection of people. So, first of all, everyone that works at RMI Corporation has a minimum of a 4-year university degree. Typically, it's in accounting, management information systems, or business administration, business-related types of disciplines that they've studied formally at the university level. In addition, many of our staff have advanced degrees, MBAs, Masters in Information Systems, etc. All of our employees ultimately must achieve Microsoft certifications of various levels depending upon the areas and the amount of time that they've spent with us. And finally, every one of our employees, in fact, the very first thing they have to do when they join RMI is become HDI certified. I'm saying HDI very carefully. Not many of you will know what that means. HDI stands for Help Desk Institute. And the Help Desk Institute puts forth a training course and a certification process that is designed to help our staff members or anybody who goes through that certification process be very aware and conscious of the principles of delivering a high quality, high level of support to their customers. And we certainly follow the principles of the HDI Institute or the Help Desk Institute. So we've got 4-year degrees, advanced degrees, Help Desk Institute certifications, and finally Microsoft certifications of many levels. So we've got lots of training, if you will. In addition, as a company, we have over 150 years of industry experience. All of us, obviously, we focus completely on the equipment rental, sales, and service industry. We have no customers that do anything other than that, so we're not spread too thin. We have a very deep understanding and knowledge of the day-to-day activities that you're experiencing in your business. And we feel that that's very important to you and that you should know that. I don't know how many places you can go to find a team of people with the level of experience within your particular industry, and as importantly, within closely related industries. You may be renting, selling, and servicing one type of equipment where we have experience with that, but we also have experience with other types of equipment, and they may be doing things slightly differently, but we're able to take the best of all of the industries and roll it into our solution, our software, and our consulting services that we deliver to our customers, either through on-site consulting or through just our day-to-day telephone calls. We're able to share that information with you. Let me just quick cycle back to the HDI principles, if you will. RMI does have a service level agreement that we live by. Every call or every incident that comes in, and it doesn't have to be a call, it could come in via email or through a posting to our website, our service site on our website. Every incident that is opened up with us is logged, it's tracked, it's responded to within an agreement level that we maintain with our customers, where the most severe incidents, and you rate the severity of the incident. If you tell us it's severe, we will respond to you in 60 minutes or less of your placing the support request. The longest it takes for us to respond to any incident that comes into us is 4 hours, and a 4-hour response time guaranteed. We generally respond quicker than that, but we allow ourselves up to 4 hours to respond to, for example, you may not be using the manufacturing section of our software. Not a lot of people do, and you may be, but yet you may be thinking about doing it. So for that example, you may call in and say, geez, when you get a chance, could we set up a time to discuss the manufacturing processes that are available in your software? Now, I'm not going to say we're going to demonstrate the software within the 4 hours, but we will respond to you within 4 hours and schedule a mutually convenient time to do that. So, you won't be hanging out there saying, well, geez, did they get our request or didn't they? I'm happy to say that we have met our service level agreements 99.993% of the time for the past 20 plus years. We take it very seriously. We have a running calendar in the office. One of the KPIs that we go by is how many consecutive days have we met our service level agreements, and we live and die by it. I think our longest stretch is 770 days. We're hell-bent to beat that record. And again, we talk about it, we live it, we breathe it, and we see it on the walls on our monitors every day. In addition to that, on every incident that is opened up with us, when we close that incident out, we give our customers the ability to rate us as to our performance in 8 different areas. We tend to grade ourselves according to a typical college or university level grading system of a scale of 4.0, and our goal is to maintain a 3.8 or above, and we have been fortunate. We've maintained a 3.85 or better for the last several years in a row. We rarely, if ever, fall below 3.8. Many times we hit 3.9, and some quarters we actually hit 4.0 on the scoring that our customers, tell us. This isn't our self-evaluation. This is an evaluation that you, our customers, give to us, and we're very proud of that. Again, we talk about our SLA, meeting our SLA. We talk about our GPA, the ratings that you give us on how we're doing as a job. So, I guess I can conclude by saying, I know we're not perfect as a service organization, but I also know that as a team of people, we do try to be perfect every single day. And when we fail at something, we analyze it, we question ourselves, why did we fail, and we try never to make that same mistake again. So we're very dedicated to a high level of customer service. We're very proud of our efforts, and hopefully you will get a chance to experience that too. So hopefully that told you a little bit about who we are, some of our philosophies and practices here at RMI, and hopefully you found it helpful. Thank you very much. I want to wish you all the best, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.